Hello there guys, it's me, M's Birthday. In today's video, narito tayo muli sa Pushing Ranch para tingnan yung mga kangaroo, capybaras at yung mga alpaca and other kind of mammals. Capybaras is the largest living rodent, closely related to cavids and guinea pigs. When I first time see this, I thought it was a pig, but I was wrong. It is capybara, and then sarap nilang tingnan kasi yung mata nila cute, and then kapag pinapakain mo sila, tahimik lang sila tapos kinakain yung damo. And here's the alpaca. It's a species of South American camelid mammal. Traditionally, alpacas were kept in herds that grazed on the level heights of the Andes. They're so adorable, but their smell is very strong. Ang baho nila kaya sobra, pero yung balat nila ang ganda. And the lovely kangaroo. It's my first time to see a kangaroo also. Akala ko nga napapanood ko lang sa movie, pero dito sa Taiwan, nakakita na ako ng totoong kangaroo. I'm sorry if my video isn't good. I can't focus anyway because that time I'm pushing a wheelchair. Kung gusto mong bumisita dito sa Taiwan, dito sa Pushing Ranch, you need to buy a ticket. Well, I think the elders enjoy their time because they see a lot of animals here at the zoo. Well guys, thank you so much for watching again. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for those who are really watching my videos. My legit friends here in YouTube world. God bless and have a good time. Bye bye. Sorry guys kung hindi ko masyadong na-videohan yung kangaroo kasi sa bakod hindi ko maipasok yung aking cellphone, and then that time tulak-tulak ko yung wheelchair. Doon lang ako nag-focus sa sheep at sa ibang animal doon. Yung capybara at saka yung alpaca kasi huminto kami dyan. Tapos yung amo ko, sabi niya na bilis-bilisan daw kaya medyo magulo yung pagbibideo ko. I apologize for that guys. Sa sama明说为什么很臭？哎呀，等一下啊，那把naman to gusto niya. Ang baho. Ang baho. Diba? Ayan o. 来，进。Oh, diba? Ang dami nila eh. I don't have grass anymore. 对呀，这个是那么漂亮。还是我们不要进到休息区咯，谢谢。大饼了，tumatay na.
巴肚食这啊。
老师，你讲食迄草药丸啊？
对，食这马上会好啊。
巴肚袂痛。草药丸啊！
哈，
哎呀，
草药丸啊！一该食3粒，叫3顿食。
老师乱讲。
Dito kami magpahinga. Kakain ng malamig. Suso mo. Ang ingay nila. Yan yung amo ko, Udolopan. Ito ya, usay luing. Ay.